Good morning, everyone, and welcome to your first English lesson of Senior 2, also known as Year 9 or Grade 8. My name is Teacher Janet, your teacher of English this year. I'm very happy to have you in this class. This year, we shall learn English by talking, listening, thinking, and working together. Today, we are starting with a discussion on celebrations. You are already working in groups, so I would like the group leaders to take charge of their groups and guide the discussion. The group that will demonstrate for us today is called the Great Thinkers. In your groups, you will identify different types of celebrations, explain why people celebrate them, and say when these celebrations usually take place. There is no single correct answer. What matters is how clearly you explain your ideas, how well you listen to one another, and how you support your opinions with reasons. Group leaders, please begin.
Thank you, Teacher Janet. My name is Hannah, and I am the group leader of the Great Thinkers. In our discussion, we are looking at different types of celebrations, why people celebrate them, and when they usually take place. I will invite my group members to share their ideas. Musa, please begin.
Thank you, Hannah. I think weddings are very important celebrations. A wedding celebrates the start of a family, not just one person.
Thank you, Musa. I think birthdays are also common celebrations. People celebrate them every year to mark the day they were born. However, I also know couples who celebrate their wedding anniversary every year. Aisha, what do you think? I don't fully agree with you, Musa, but I see your point. Birthdays are personal, but weddings are public, so their importance depends on who is involved. Some celebrations matter more to families, while others matter to the whole community. Yusuf, what do you think?
That's true. Graduations are also important because they show achievement. People celebrate them after completing a level of education, such as primary school, secondary school, or university. Mary, would you like to add something?
Yes, and graduations usually happen at the end of a course, not on a fixed date like birthdays, unless someone repeats a year.
Good points. I can hear some strong opinions already. Can someone explain why people celebrate these events?
Thank you, Teacher Janet. People celebrate to show happiness and appreciation. For example, a graduation celebrates hard work and success.
Some celebrations also show achievement. A graduation celebrates hard work and success after completing a level of education. People also celebrate to remember important moments. Some events remind people of their history, their struggles, or their achievements as a community,
Thank you, Yusuf. Those were very clear and well-explained points. Now, Musa, do all celebrations take place at the same time?
No, they don't. Some celebrations take place on fixed dates every year, such as national or religious celebrations. Others, like weddings, depend on when people feel ready. So celebrations happen at different times for different reasons.
I would like to add that some celebrations are planned long in advance, while others happen suddenly, depending on events in people's lives. This shows that celebrations are not only about dates, but also about situations and meaning.
Thank you, Mary. That is a very thoughtful contribution. And thank you, everyone, for sharing your great ideas in this discussion. From our discussion, we can see that celebrations are different. People celebrate for different reasons, and celebrations take place at different times depending on their purpose. Teacher Janet, may you please summarize our discussion and guide us on what to do next, please?
Well done, everyone. You shared ideas clearly, listened respectfully, and supported your points with good examples. Today you learned that celebrations can be personal or public, that people celebrate for different reasons, and that celebrations take place at different times. Homework. Identify one celebration in your community. Write a short paragraph explaining why people celebrate it and when it usually takes place. We shall share your answers in our next lesson. Thank you, and see you next time, everyone.